Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. In today's episode, we'll be taking a closer look at the GOGOTEK cell phone signal booster for Asia and Europe. The GOGOTEK cell phone signal booster is designed to work with most Asian and European carriers, including Vodafone, Digicel, Tele2, Orange, O2, T-Mobile, TIM, Bouygues, and more. It supports 2G, 3G, and 4G LTE on multiple bands: 900 MHz, DCS 1800 MHz, WCDMA 2100 MHz, and LTE 800 MHz. Before purchasing, it's important to confirm that your cell phone operates on one of these supported bands. The GOGOTEK signal booster can amplify weak signals with a maximum gain of up to 70 decibels, extending coverage up to 5,000 square feet. This means you can say goodbye to dropped calls, improve voice quality, and enjoy faster data speeds, even in areas with poor reception. It's a perfect solution for homes, offices, basements, garages, farms, warehouses, and more. This booster is designed to support multiple users and cellular devices simultaneously within its coverage area. Whether you have an iPhone, Android phone, Samsung Galaxy, or any other device, it'll help improve the signal for everyone in your family or office. The kit includes an outdoor log periodic antenna, which effectively captures signals from nearby cell towers. Indoors, you'll find a panel antenna that provides high gain and wide coverage, making installation easy and convenient. Setting up the GOGOTEK signal booster is a breeze, and you don't need any technical experience. All the components required for installation are included in the package, and you can follow the step-by-step instructions provided. You'll have your signal booster up and running within 30 minutes. The GOGOTEK signal booster is FCC, IC, and CE certified, ensuring its quality and safety. It comes with a worry-free service, including a 30-day money-back guarantee and free maintenance for life. You can rely on professional and considerate pre-sale and after-sale support from the GOGOTEK team. The GOGOTEK cell phone signal booster is a must-have for anyone struggling with weak cell reception. With its wide compatibility, impressive performance, and user-friendly installation, it's a valuable addition to homes and offices in need of better signal strength. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enjoy clear calls and faster data speeds. Check out the GOGOTEK signal booster today. That wraps up our review of the GOGOTEK cell phone signal booster. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more informative product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this signal booster, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more reviews.